EaseUpgrade Solutions welcomes you to fulfill the expectations of people by giving affordable and smart solutions for a better future. Our vision for a smart world is powered by technology and driven by integrity, excellence, unity. Selected new office space or shifting the office to a new location? Are you worried about how to manage various vendors for office setup? Confused whom to contact for overall office setup? Just relax and sit back. We EaseUpgrade are here to handle all your office setup. We have a wide range of services: PC build-up, PC repair, software support, printer and cartridges sales, refilling cartridges, laptop sales and software support, RAN sharing, Wi-Fi and router installation, CCTV, surveillance camera setup and installation, biometric access control, smart door lock system, intercom, landline system. Customers are loving our services. Reach out to us using WhatsApp Business, Gmail, website, LinkedIn, Instagram,